How to use Instabridge app. Looking for a way to find free Wi-Fi hotspots anywhere? The Instabridge app makes it easy. So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Instabridge to connect to Wi-Fi securely and save on mobile data. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Instabridge. Download and install the app. Open the app and sign in using your Google, Facebook or email account. Grant location permissions to help the app locate Wi-Fi networks near you. On the main screen, you'll see a map or list of available Wi-Fi networks shared by the Instabridge community. Tap on a network to view details like connection strength and user reviews. Select a hotspot and tap Connect, and the app will automatically apply any saved passwords to join the network securely. If you know a Wi-Fi password, you can contribute to the community by sharing it. So you can tap Add Wi-Fi, enter the network details and save them for others to use. Or you can use offline mode, so you can download Wi-Fi maps for offline use by tapping on the download button in your area. This feature is great for traveling without mobile data, so you can know where to find mobile hotspots. Use a VPN for extra security when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, and avoid entering sensitive information on unsecured networks, and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching. How to fix